What's going on, guys? A little bit of a weird day today, kind of the start to the open, right? We had that move down starting to push in the pre-market, and then 30 minutes after the first hour candle close, we kind of got that reversal for 2 or 3 hours to the upside. But Netflix has earnings tomorrow. I'm going to definitely be watching Netflix. Now, again, I don't really play through earnings where I'm necessarily holding through those earnings, but I will get involved in the price action intraday. So what I'll be looking for tomorrow, if they want to kind of wash Netflix out, right? If they wash Netflix out intraday tomorrow, look at the daily candlesticks here. This 353.89 was tested today. It was tested yesterday. Now we can really see that if we start to give that up, we've got nothing down here as far as support. You're going to have a little bit of support down here at 352 going back to the 13th. But if I pull up the weekly time frame here and kind of give us a little bit of a better macro overview, if we do start to continue to push down and we get through that 352, your next support is down here at 340. So if they want to wash Netflix out ahead of earnings, let's look for a continuation through today's lows. Let's look for that continuation through last week's lows, which you can see here. And if I actually put this price level line at last week's lows, we're looking at a price of around 351.57. So if we do start to give that up, you can see we can put in a little bit of a leg down here to 340. And then if the expectations or if the earnings are good, maybe they kind of trap at that demand zone and then bounce you back up. Now, let's say, for example, they want to push the Netflix higher intraday ahead of earnings. What I would be looking for in that particular case would be something like this. Take out today's highs as well as yesterday's highs. That would also be reclaiming, right? It would be reclaiming the 5-day moving average, which is this green line here. So if we go ahead and we start to look at 363 to the upside, running that ahead of earnings, we could potentially push into around 369. So again, that level to the high side would be around 362.80s into 366, 367. I would try to take and skim some profits. Now, if the earnings are not that good and they want to continue to flush it, then we know we're looking at that 340 price target for tomorrow. But again, let's set an alert. Let's put some eyes on Netflix. Again, if you guys want to tune into the live stream, definitely tune in. You guys personally won't be on YouTube, will not be able to hear the conversation of what is going on. You'll just hear me. So if you do want to get involved where you can talk to the other traders and listen to what they're saying, definitely join Evolution Traders. That link's going to be down in the description box. I do have one more spot available. I started this week with 3. I'm down to 1 spot left. Again, with that, you're going to get the video courses. You're going to get the online community. You're going to get the live streams each and every single day, watch list, intraday technicals, and one-on-one mentorship. So if you do want to take advantage of that, definitely check out the link down in the description box below. And I'll see all of the rest of you guys back on YouTube tomorrow.